In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Gotomeeting recording from link. Start by opening the email that contains the recording link. This is the message someone sent to share the meeting replay with you. Make sure you are connected to the internet and using a modern web browser for the smoothest experience. If the message isn't in your main inbox, it may be in a filtered folder. Once you have the message open, look for the recording link in the body of the email. Next, click the link to open the video in your web browser. A new tab will usually load with the Gotomeeting recording player. Give it a moment to finish loading, especially if the recording is long or your connection is a bit slow. You should see a standard video player with familiar controls like play and pause. If you don't immediately see all the controls, move your mouse over the video area, as some controls only appear when you hover. Now, locate the download icon on the page. It's typically a down arrow and may appear at the top right, the bottom of the player, or along the side depending on the layout and your browser. Sometimes it's labeled download, and other times it's just the arrow symbol. Be sure you are clicking the download option and not the play button. The play button will start streaming in the browser, while the download icon will save the file to your computer. When you click the download icon, your browser will either begin downloading right away or prompt you to choose where to save the file. The recording is typically delivered as an MP4, which is a widely supported format that plays on most devices. If you are asked to pick a location, choose a folder you'll remember, such as your desktop or downloads. If your browser starts the download automatically, you can usually find the file in your default downloads folder. Keep the browser tab open until the download completes, especially if it's a large recording. That's it. Thanks for watching.